People, Brown and Crouppen has a new app that can help you get to safety if you've been in an accident, even help you determine your own blood alcohol content. Not kidding. Ed Herman from Brown and Crouppen is here to tell us about their new mobile app. You techno-savvy folks over there.
Well, you know, we like to stay ahead of the curve.
Yeah.
We like to, you know, communicate with people in every way possible. So yeah, we've launched a new app. It's available. It's completely free on iPhone and also on Android devices. Just go to the App Store and you could search either under Get BC or just type in the name Crouppen and the app will come up.
So what are you going to get? What are the big benefits here?
Well, there's quite a few benefits. You know, for example, let's say you're in an accident.
Right.
You know, the app has an accident data screen that will literally guide you step by step through everything you should be doing at the scene of the accident, from all the information you should capture from the other driver. It allows you to take photographs and store them right in the app of the accident scene, the vehicles. It allows you to call 911 with the touch of a button, and it'll use your phone's GPS device to find out exactly where you are. It'll let you get witness information. A lot of times in an accident, a witness says, you know, I'd love to stay, but I can't wait for the police. Right. This allows you to type in not just their information, but get a very quick recorded statement from them.
That's amazing.
And it stores it in the app. And then you can actually click a button, and it'll email you a PDF of your all the information you collected with the photos, with the recorded statement attached. And if you choose to, it'll send us a copy also, and we can review it very quickly for free legal advice if you want that at the time of an accident. So that's just one benefit.
That's that's really a great idea.
It's great. People should download it. It's free, and just play with it a little bit. Another thing it does is, you know, we're very conscious about the dangers of driving while you're intoxicated, and we have a button on there that asks you, you know, too much to drink, and if you press it, you have two options. It will either allow you to immediately, with the touch of a button, call a taxi cab, and that button will work anywhere in the country. Again, it uses your GPS, finds you, and connects you to a cab.
Incredible.
And the other thing it does is it has a blood alcohol content calculator, which, you know, is an approximation device, obviously, but it allows you to put in the type of alcohol you've consumed, your weight, the number of drinks you've had, over what period of time you've had that. You put in your gender, and then when you hit calculate, it's going to give you an approximate amount that's your blood alcohol content.
Wow.
And obviously in most states, you know, 0.08 is the danger zone for being illegal. But realistically, if you're even anywhere near there, that's a clear indication you shouldn't drive. And, you know, it's also maybe a good tool to have if you think one of your friends that you're out with has had too much to drink. Maybe they don't take your word for it. They're like, oh, I'm fine. And you're like, you know what, let's just for fun, let's go ahead and type it into here.
That's good.
And let's just see what it says.
Use it
maybe
as a little leverage.
Exactly. Maybe you can talk a friend out of driving drunk. So those are very practical applications. But there's other fun stuff in there. You know, we've been on many times, and we've talked about our VIP card program, which, you know, it's free also. You don't have to be one of our clients. Anybody out there can do it. But for years, the challenge has always been, how do we put our physical VIP card into people's pockets? Because it's good not just for our services, but we have contracts with over 100 businesses around St. Louis that will give you a discount every single time you present our card. Now we finally have a solution. Within the app, you can actually make yourself a digital VIP card. I don't know if, if there's a camera that can see that.
So the businesses you mentioned just flash that bad boy.
Yeah, but yeah, you literally make it on here. See,
there it is.
That's a picture of my son. That's his VIP
I don't
card.
think that's you.
It allows you to put your name in there. It automatically generates the date that you joined. You could either take a photo of yourself or use one from your library, and this now becomes the card. You don't have to carry one in your wallet.
That's cool.
And there's a list of all the participating locations, so you can tell right in the moment, hey, you know, maybe this restaurant's got a discount for me. Let me check it out.
We're scratching the surface here. There are menus within menus, a lot of useful utilities. If you have an iPhone, if you've got an Android phone, check it out.
Yeah,
Cool
it's
stuff.
outstanding.
Cool stuff.